Okay guys, so we're working on the first drop-off of the day and it's for this house. So we pass the flower bed. Careful with the cactus. Okay, that's done. Let's get on the way. Next pickup from Luna Grill. This is for like, I don't know, less than a mile, $19. There's something wrong with Uber. So, gonna ask them. Okay guys, so okay, this done. Now, let's get on the way. We're looking for this building. One second. Okay, maybe somewhere over here. Is it the second floor? I think it's probably the second floor. Let me check. Next offer. For some reason, Uber is showing another picture of me.
Make a U-turn to stay on El Paso.
Hi, how are you? I got a pickup for Lesa.
I give you the straw. I have a straw.
Oh, you got straw. Thank you. Have a good day. Okay guys, so that's done. Let's get on the way. So we're doing the next drop-off. There's some issues going on with Uber. I mean, I couldn't record there, but the customer said that I didn't look like the one on the picture. Hi. So it has been a slow food delivery, but I was able to get a Instacart order for, I believe this is going 10 miles, close to, I think it's $37. So hopefully they have everything in stock. It's only like 6 items, 9 units, so it should be fast if they have everything ready. And I'm gonna be able to, you know, do some double dipping because I'm going to Bonfils to deliver this. So hopefully that is better. We will see. Okay, so now let me start the batch. And now let's get this running. One item. So Instacart told me to replace it with this one right here. But I texted the customer just to make sure he's okay with it, because sometimes Instacart just give you a recommendation, but it's not what the customer wants. So I'm going to wait and then see if she responds. If she doesn't, then I'll replace it. Pretty much done. Still waiting for the customer to answer me. Who knows if he's going to answer me. If not, I just think I'm going to replace it. Hope for the best. So we're pretty much done, but the customer has not answered yet. So I'm going just to replace it, and hopefully it's okay with it. Check it out. So let's get this running. Oh, this is done. It didn't take me that long. I mean, only for the item that didn't have in stock. I just back to the customer, he did not answer, so I ended up replacing it. Hope for the best. Hopefully he got the house. It's 10 miles. I don't want to drive 10 miles and then have to come back to the phone. It's too annoying. Let me put this away. we are done with this. Okay guys, so let's get this done. About the day, yesterday was absolutely trash. I did like $60 and I went home. So, but today hopefully it's better. I just got a first pickup, 5 miles. It's a double order for $20. So. Just right there.
Yep, that's it. Perfect.
Head to your pickup at Panera, 73075 Highway 111. Make a U-turn.
Next one is from Witch.
Head to your pickup at Which Superior Sandwiches, Palm Desert.
Hopefully they have this one.
Yeah.
Hey, how you doing, man? I got a pickup for Laura.
Yeah, this one is ready. It's gonna have a regular Cali Club and fries.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay guys, so this is done. Let's get on the way. We're on the second drop off, and it is for this house right here. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. We're here. The next one.
How you doing, sir? Just dropping out?
Yes, just Uber Eats.
Thank you.
The next pickup for El Guerrero. Hey, how are you? Yeah, I got a pickup for Miguel M.
Miguel M?
Yeah, and she wants to know if you guys can give them red and green salsa.
Yeah, he's right here.
You guys already in there? Okay, thank you. Okay guys, so this is done. Let's get on the way. Looking on the next pickup, for I think took the offer was $13 for less than 4 miles for David. Yes, for David. David.
Okay, it's ready. Can you sign it for me, please?
And that's it. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay guys, so we got it. So now let's pack it and get on the way. First drop off for Uber Eats. Maybe this for the 6 barbecue order. So this house right here. 6.4. Okay guys, that's done. Let's get on the way. Doing the next drop off. See where's the enter for this thing right here. Now over here. Sure. Apartment 8. Okay, let me check. I think it has to be somewhere right here. Okay, yeah. Okay, got it. Is this the right place? Huh. Not sure. I'm just gonna check. Oh, this apartment is this one. The parking here? Hey, the next pickup, and this is from Starbucks. I think what I took the offer was, I don't know, $13 for 5 miles. I also got a Grubhub offer, a pretty good one, but I already was working on this one. So on the next drop off, and I think it's for this house right here. So let me see if the gate is open. Okay, that's done. Let's get on the way.